So in this video we are gonna generate a sitemap with Laravel. So basically in Laravel you can install a model that can then allow you to generate a sitemap, and then because Laravel has the opportunity to run a command every day or every week or month, something like that, you can actually generate a sitemap every day or month depending on how active your website is. So the point of this is that some people might have a website they use a lot or not that much, but if they write a lot of articles, for example, the sitemap would have to be updated now and then. And going in and adding all these articles every time is a lot of work, and you can save a lot of time by creating such a simple command as this. So what you can do is we can go in and say php artisan generate command, and then we first need to say Laravel new, of course, and then we can just wait for this to finish. And then we're going to use this model. So we're going to use Spatty Laravel sitemap, which then allow you to run a crawler on your website or any other URL you want to, and then it will find every single page it can as possible. So this is because we are going to use this as an opportunity to add in articles in that, and because you can attack this to models, there's a lot of different opportunities in here. We are not going to go over them here, but you can easily find out how to actually add in the sitemap URLs from a article model, for example. So now what we can do is say php artisan generate command. Oh, it's called php artisan okay, and then we can say make command. That's what it's called. So let's call this sitemap. So inside our app folder, inside console commands sitemap, we have it. Then we can say sitemap generate, and then we can go down here and say like this. This will take the app URL from the .env file. So this will take localhost in this scenario, but if you go in and say like this, you can also do that. You can change this to whatever URL you want to, and by doing that you will generate a sitemap file in here. Well, the thing about this is this doesn't allow you to do it automatically, and we also need to add in a command description. So generate sitemap. So this is basically just a command, and then we can go in a kernel and we can schedule the command here. So you can actually just go in and say generate sitemap and run it daily, or you can run it hourly if you want to as well. So by doing this, you will be able to run a command every day. You can use this in many scenarios. You can run it hourly and so on. But what we can do now is we can just go in and test that the command is working. Okay, so that's because we didn't install the model, of course. Compose require Spatty Laravel sitemap. So while this is installing, I'll just come back to you. Now the last thing we need to do before site installing it is we need to, of course, require it up here in the top. So if you now go in here and then go into your public folder, because remember we put it inside the public path, then we have a sitemap file here. Now we don't have any URLs right now, so it wouldn't really work properly. So what we can do now is we can go in here and we can create something like about, and then one PHP artisan serve, and then we can go in here and say return hello world. Then go up and run this here and say out, and beside that let's make sure this is running in the exact same URL, so it's live, because this needs to be live to be doing this, because it's generating a sitemap and crawling a website which it expects to be live. Otherwise it would just not do anything. So you need to make sure that your server is either served by PHP artisan serve or is on a live server. So PHP artisan sitemap generate. Then we can actually just go in like this. And then what we can also do is we can go in and add URLs in here. But that's gonna be for the next video. So in the next video we're gonna add in URLs, and then you can go in here and read documentation on how to add blog posts and articles in that. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.